In this video, I'm going to talk about best MKV converter to MP4 converter. The best one to use is OBS. And everything you have to do is, of course, download OBS from the official sites. Then once you have it downloaded, you go to File, Remix Recordings, and basically here you just upload the MKV file. So as you can see, I have this MKV and I have uploaded it, and then I just want, and then it tells me the target file. It goes from MKV to MP4. All I have to do is click on Remix. Boom, it's complete. As you can see, it has popped here. And that's it. That's pretty much it. In my opinion, this is the best way to convert MKV to MP4. Thank you for this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.